to till summer ends. The best way to spend a day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see, only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive, listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see, only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive, listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive.
It's alright. Hey, give me a drink. Out the fridge or something. Have your audio? Something real bad. Need ice. Dang, girl. Get your bubble straw out of here. Are you done? Good.
Mercy, son. You want to clean it up.
And that's why I thought you're mad.
It didn't.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, because you want to slide the cup after.
Get me the napkin!
Like, who was the slide the cup while I'm pouring it? That looks so fancy too. Here, I'm pouring the last sip.
Stop!
I thought you wanted the last sip.
No! There's nothing in there.
No idea.
This your mercy, this your grace. I don't have a tripod anymore, so y'all are gonna have to bear with. But anyways, hi guys. I know, long time no see. Once again, I'm back, and you know, I decided to hop on, you know, the vlogs once more. And if you're wondering the reason why I had stopped before, it was really because I don't know, like I just had like no motivation, and like I was just always very subconscious of like, you know, how I would look, how I would speak. And I was basically doing YouTube like for the wrong reason. Just doing it to, you know, get a whole bunch of subscribers and, you know, try and get monetized and all that stuff, all that, you know, typical type of stuff. But, you know, after I took a long break, I realized, you know, that I do kind of still have a passion for like making videos and, you know, just editing and all that stuff. Yeah, so now I'm just doing it just for fun, honestly. I want you guys to see my life. I want, you know, share whatever I can to make somebody laugh, smile. I'm gonna like be less, you know, subconscious of how I look, how I sound. If you find me boring, oh well. You know, but yeah, so we're just here to have fun, so hopefully you stay to have fun with us. And yeah, so today, as you saw before, I was seeing my sister and my dad. We went out go get my car because yes, I am going to be purchasing a car, and I am very excited. And I was supposed to go get it, but things got, you know, mixed up, and so now I won't have the car until like next week. So I'll show you guys that hopefully next week. So today, right now, we're just chilling today, honestly. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I got a brown-eyed lover on the other side of town. I don't wanna keep up waiting. First off, we're too black. Like, some people say I can sing, some people say I can't sing. You honestly decide. We got the beat, we got the beat, we got the beat. You know, I try and take the good stuff with me, so, you know, in my head I can sing, but most likely I probably can't. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna still do what I want to do, and I love to sing. Like, I will never ever stop singing, ever. But basically, right now, I'm gonna look for like car decorations for my new car. First off, the car that I have is actually giving old Betsy. Like, the car that I have is the color of my whole outfit, which is the reason why I wore this outfit, to be matching with my car so I could take a picture. But that's besides the point. 2005, so it's pretty old, but girl, that was the only thing I could afford in the budget. So, you know, we had to scoop her up, and like the inside is not like the, you know, most modern, most new. I don't know how I'm gonna decorate it, honestly. I'll probably just have, I don't even know how to decorate it. I went to get new like floor, what is it called, floor covers. because the ones that come with it are kind of like old and like a little bit dirty. Might also get like, you know, something to hang from like the mirror. Anyway, so yeah, in my head, like I always think that I'm not good enough. Like even for YouTube I stopped because I was like, you know what, I am not funny, I'm not aesthetically pleasing, I'm not, you know, just whatever those other YouTubers that I, you know, would watch. I'm not any of that. And in all the other stuff that I do, I also be like, you know, I'm not like that, or I'm just not good enough. And that's really comparison, and it's like, dang, like you really are not like them, but that's okay because you're your own person for a reason. You know what I'm saying? So I may not have what that person has, but I have what I have, and what I have is still good, and what they have is good too, but I'm good on my own as well. You understand what I'm saying? So I had to stop doing that and had to start being more confident, stop caring about what other people think about me, and just worry about, you know, how God views me and, you know, what he says about me, because that's all that matters, that's all that's important. So yes. Anyways guys, so actually right now we are on our way to pick up Miss Blueberry, and yeah, that's her name, Miss Blueberry, because she is, yeah, and she's a girl, period. She is the color of, you know, my outfit, which is all blue, and we're on our way to pick her up. I thought I was going to be able to get her today, and I thought I was going to have to get her next week, but my dad just told me that she's ready to be picked up. So we're actually going on our way right now. You excited?
Yeah.
Miss Blueberry! Here she is! Here's Miss Blueberry.
Really your twin?
Period. But yeah, so we're gonna finish up the payment and I'm gonna take her home. So let's go. Anyways, y'all, we are in Miss Blueberry. I'm gonna have to get a tripod for y'all, so you guys can be going on with the rides. We got the keys. How that camera tilt, like, there you go. Anyways, yeah, we got the keys to Miss Blueberry. There's not really much to her. I'll give you guys like a better detail of when I actually like clean, fully deep clean, and, you know, maybe put some accessories up in here. But yeah, I'm so excited to drive Miss Blueberry around. I honestly can only say thanks to God, because honestly it's only him that gives me the strength, you know, to work, to make sure, you know, I get the money and, you know, I was able to pay. So all glory to him, and I'm so excited. And you know, he's an on-time God, because I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna find a car to bring to school with me because I'm starting my internship and I'm not gonna have time, like, you know, to look. And also my budget was like super low, and it's like, well, how am I gonna get a decent car with the amount of money that I have saved and the amount of time that I have? But God came through last minute. Me and my dad were like, okay, let's go look for cars. Boom, first car we saw, it was it. So yeah, just know he's an on-time guy and wait on his timing and everything will work out. Hopefully, Lord, this car don't, because what are you doing?
Oh my God, I thought it was going back.
Hopefully this car, you know, stays up, no problems, no issues, in Jesus' name. And yeah, we're gonna be zooming around safely though, because I almost got into a car accident today. But let's not talk about that.
Why you wanna go to the Houston then? Vous semblez au collecter en décembre ou à l'acheter bagaille?
The crowns.
My door wasn't even shut the door.
It's actually the next day, and basically really did nothing today, honestly. So Sunday, we went to church and the sermon was pretty good. And honestly, it was so ironic because what they were talking about, me and my friends Michaela and Mimi, we had did like a Bible study on it like a couple weeks ago. So it's kind of cool, you know, when you read the Bible and like pastors like preaching a sermon, it's like, oh, like I read that in the Bible, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's cool. And basically it was just talking about Romans 6. It was basically talking about sin and how, you know, when you give your life to Christ, when you know, make the decision to actually follow him, you actually die and your past self is now dead and you die just like Jesus died on the cross. So our sins are dead just like Jesus was dead. And because Jesus resurrected, now since, you know, we accepted Jesus, we are also a new creation and we are also now a new man. Yeah, it's kind of cool to see that correlation with Jesus's death and resurrection. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. I don't know if I'm rambling, but hopefully that makes sense. But now, like it's already 4 o'clock. I have to clean my room because like, I mean, it doesn't look that bad. If you're wondering why there's a whole bunch of like stuff here, this is all the stuff that I took to college and that is just gonna stay there because fortunately my mom had built me like this room. It's like not a real room, it's like an extension of some, I can't really explain it too well, but basically this room doesn't have a closet. This room doesn't have any storage or anything, so I basically only have like this dresser thing and that's basically it. But all this stuff, that's all my clothes that I don't feel like unpacking because I'm literally leaving for school in like less than a month, which is actually scary. So I feel like there's like no point in like moving this, so that's why this is just gonna stay here for the rest of the month. And sorry if it looks crazy, but I really don't care because it's not moving. Oh, and actually let me show you guys what I got. We found a yard sale, guys. We found a yard sale, and don't sleep on yard sales because they might have some good stuff, because I found some good stuff, and honestly just might be better than the thrift store because I found too many good items. I got like 10 items of clothes and I'm gonna show you guys because I think they're cute. First thing that I got, I'm not gonna do a try and haul because too much work, definitely not. Oh yeah, so I got these trousers, these work pants, they're really cute. And I got this top, you know, it's like a cute office top. And it's gonna be cute. Like you just have to wait until I actually wear it. You know, I'll wear it at my desk, period. Then I picked this up and my sisters were kind of telling me that it looked ugly, but I thought it looked cute. You just have to know how to style it for real. But basically, and it's kind of like too short to be a dress but too long to be a shirt, but like I'll make it into a shirt. And basically it's like just off the shoulder kind of thing, but it's kind of like long, but it's gonna be cute, don't worry. If you know me already, like, you know my style was literally at a 0%. Like, actually, okay, I'm gonna say 0% because sometimes I would put it on, sometimes I would put it on, but that would be like very rarely, like ever, like never. And most of my wardrobe consists of like just dark colors, and I'm definitely not gonna leave the dark colors like at all. Like I need my blacks, I need the grays, all that. But I want to like branch out and like, you know, just wear some like patterns, wear a little bit of color, you know. Also got this. It's probably men's too. And this is really outside my comfort zone because I don't wear like any patterns, like stripes, polka dots, anything geometric. It's not what I'm doing. I think a lot of things are cute, however I just wouldn't think it would be cute on me, or I feel like I just couldn't rock it. But we're not doing that anymore, okay? If I want to rock it, I'm gonna rock it. Oh, I got this. All these things are looking a little bit crazy off body, but you just have to wait till it's on body, you know. This is an oversized like men's sweater type thing, you know. Trust me, it was cute, it was cute. And I got, oh, these things are a little upside down. I had gotten this cute tie-dye t-shirt and it's pretty basic, but I like the colors, green and blue. It's really, it's cute. And then I got these trousers again, pants, trousers, whatever you want to call it. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these in the office too. It's cute. I had also gotten this. This is really ridiculous. It's not ridiculous, but like this is something like I would never like really ever choose to wear, but I honestly thought it was super cute. Like it was super cute, dainty little type of thing. It's like this floral top. You have to see it on. It's like, you know what, let me try it on. Ooh, it's like this floral type thing. It's cute. It's like very, I don't know, it's very girly, and I'm like not that girly at all. So like I said, I'm trying to branch out, you know. We're gonna try it. Then I got this like basic orange kind of sweater vest type thingy, and it looks cute on. I'd gotten these pants. They're like huge, and They're wide leg, but like, yeah, that's really all I got. It was $5 for one bag. Y'all don't know about that yard sale life for real. But yes, I'm happy that we went because I got a whole bunch of new pieces. And moving forward with my content, like I don't really know, I don't have a plan. I don't have a plan. The plan is to just pick up the camera and just vlog what I do during the day. So hopefully who's ever watching this, you know, you enjoy that. And hopefully it's a little bit entertaining. And yeah, so let's get started. Let's get started on this cleaning.